To talk more about these happenings within the PDP and the beginning with the court affirming the governor-elect of Osun, Senator Ademola Adeleke, as authentic governorship candidate of the party. I'm being joined at this time by a former Deputy National Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, Diran Odeyemi. He joins us live via Zoom from Osun State. Thank you, Mr. Odeyemi, for joining us on TVC News at 10. Well, this news from the Supreme Court, how is your party, the PDP, reacting to it?
We thank God for the victory, and the tension it has created has actually come down. And it's quite unfortunate the kind of politics Dr. Babayemi played, simply because as a committed member of PDP, if we may say that, we were not anticipating any court case after the victory when the people of Osun State overwhelmingly voted for PDP and the candidature of Senator Ademola Adeleke. To see a member of the party taking the candidate to court means a lot.
Well,
and we are not unaware of the fact that...
I believe,
yes,
Mr. Odeyemi, he has a right to express himself if he feels displeased about the process. Doesn't he have a right to approach the court for redress?
What I'm trying to say is he allowed APC, to dictate to him what he should do. We are all politicians and we know what happened. And if you look at the case quite well, the technicality of it did not just happen. It happened because by the time he was filing the case, he was busy negotiating for money, negotiating for position with the governor and the PDP.
Well, these
and
allegations
it was during that dilly-dally affair.
Mr. Odeyemi, I'm afraid what you're saying are allegations which I don't know if you can substantiate.
I know what I'm saying because this thing is documented. He was negotiating both for money and for position. I'm saying it live on TV. So I know what I'm saying. I'm a politician and I know what goes on. It's not an accusation. It's something he cannot deny. It's something that is written down. So he was busy negotiating.
All right, Mr. Odeyemi,
and it was only that time.
Okay, well, you're saying that he was busy negotiating, but
negotiating, yes,
that's an aside. Let's talk about
he was going to the
what
court and coming
has
back.
happened now. The Supreme Court, and as it is, the Supreme Court did not actually entertain the merits of that case. What it did was to say it lacked jurisdiction to entertain the matter because it was filed out of time. So perhaps if the merits of the case were considered, it probably wouldn't have turned this way, whichever way that would have gone. Let's talk about the plan of Senator Ademola Adeleke, now the governor-elect, to unify the party in the midst of the tensions, as you referred earlier.
The party is supreme. And we have always said that to Dr. Babayemi, that there was no point taking the party to court. But now that he has done it, that is the worst he could do. But, as a political party, we welcome him any time. He's still part of us. That is if he's not joining APC. Because we know, and I'm saying it again, APC sponsored the whole thing. I'm saying it emphatically. I'm not shying away from that. I'm not hiding from it. He was being sponsored by APC.
Well,
but
Mr. Odeyemi, allegations such as this would need to be substantiated because we need to, of course, let our viewers know that the views you're expressing are yours and yours alone. But I most sincerely appreciate you for sharing your thoughts with us on TVC News. Former Deputy National Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, Diran Odeyemi, thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.